Yes, let me repeat Joy's questions, okay? Her questions like this. Miss B, right? Depreciate for 5 years. So that means 10,000 for each year. And after 5 years, Miss B did not sell the property. Instead of she moved back. Why? Of course, because I want to enjoy my 250,000 capital gain free. Makes sense. So if I don't need money in hurry, I can wait for 2 years. Of course, I will move back. Stay there for 2 years. Then I sold it. By that time, I'm qualified for 250,000. If couple, 500,000.
Right.
So makes sense. Huh?
How about the 50,000 depreciation?
Yeah, I'm talking about here. I'm talking here. So yes, you can qualify. You can qualify for whatever the amount, capital gain free. However, this depreciation, you always need to recapture it. Always. Again, I don't want to talk about how does IRS know about it. There's big questions. Okay, we just assume IRS they know everything. So did I make it clear? As long as you did depreciation ever, or even you never did it, you're supposed to do it, you need to put it back. So that's a very worst scenario, just like Jennifer mentioned that. Say, I didn't know about the law, so during the last 5 years, I did not do any depreciation, but as long as IRS come in to audit your tax, this IRS is too bad. Okay, even though you did not depreciate, but right now you need to recapture. And you say, what? I never depreciate. But IRS said this is the law. And you are supposed to depreciate, even you did not do it, you still need to recapture it.
How many years will go back and amend the tax return?
Remain is 3 years.
Oh, so
Amend is 3 years. Okay. So again, okay, remember, I believe this in class 1 where we talk about statute of limitation. Usually, okay, for the amendments, 3 years. But for special reason, you can argue with IRS. Oh, by the way, if you want to pay the money, there is no limitation. Say you report to IRS, say, sorry about that, I have a short payment 10 years ago, I just want to pay right now. IRS say, you are welcome, all the time. But you want to get a refund, you say, I overpay, and you want to get a refund, and for this reason, you want to amend only 3 years. Only 3 years, so usually it's 3 years.
So
Yes.
how do I recapture if I use my house as a rental for more than 27 years?
Yeah.
Then no more recapture.
Yeah, recapture is always used, let me see, can I find it or not, okay. Recapture is always on the Schedule D, and here it will lead you to another form. Let me see. If you take a look of the, let me see. A lot of form here, okay. Like item 11, you see the 11 here. Item number 11, the line 11. A lot of form there. I believe one of those is recapture. Okay. If you look into the each number of the form, you say form 4797 part 1 and 2439. So many forms. I believe one of those is used for the recapture. If you can find out. Yes. So this is a very simple 2 pages. However, if your capital structure is very complicated, you need to attach a lot of form to this. Any questions so far?
So go back to just now, like 250K per person, right? And then you already have depreciation for 50,000, so you can have only 200K.
No. They are separate. Let me repeat Joy's questions. She asked me about, say, each person should have 250,000 capital gain free. So Miss B just only depreciate 50,000. So Miss B say, hey, I just enjoy my 200,000 capital gain free, so I still don't need to recapture. No, it's not that way. It's not that calculation. 250 is one calculation. 50,000 recapture is a separate recapture calculation. So say for example, Miss B only enjoys say 100,000 capital gain free, and Mr. B cannot use this 100,000 capital gain. Say I still have another 150 not used yet, available yet. You got me? Say for example, Miss B after 2 years, she sold 500,000. She sold this property at 500,000. So without recapture, 500 deduct 400 is 100,000 capital gain free, right? Mr. B cannot say, okay, my total tax free is 250. I only use 100,000, so I have 150,000 balance.
Right.
I can use that to offset my 50,000 recapture. No, cannot, because those two calculations, they are separate. So 250,000 capital gain free, that's the maximum. You can only enjoy it maximum. So doesn't matter how much money you only make, say 80,000, 100,000. The balance you did not reach to, that's gone. You cannot reserve. They are gone. And for this 50,000 recapture, this totally separate calculation. You need to report on either phone here. So that 50,000 recapture must be there. Again, I need to go back to the basic issue. We don't know how does IRS know about it. We don't have the answer. We just assume IRS knew about it. So if that is a scenario, Miss B has no any choice, just recapture, just report. So go back to Miss Xiao Li. Her final project is from the book. My page is 290 all the way down. So you can find any topics you can talk about that. Right. Your page is probably 280. Okay, you just find. My page here is title is section 1245 full recapture, and 1250 partial recapture. So you can easily find it. Okay. Any questions so far? Okay, on my page 299. Okay, let's talk about one scenario. Okay, one scenario.